Experiencing roaming issues with Simple Mobile? This is often due to incorrect settings, network problems, or the need for updates. First, enable roaming on your Android phone. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Roaming. Toggle roaming on. On iOS, go to Settings, Cellular Data Options, and Data Roaming. Toggle data roaming on. If enabling roaming doesn't work, the next most common issue is an outdated or incorrect APN setting, which handles your data connectivity. A recent T-Mobile network expansion may have affected your connection. We'll guide you through checking and correcting your APN settings next. If enabling roaming didn't fix the issue, let's dive into APN settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Advanced, Access Point Names. Your APN should be set to Simple. If it's missing or incorrect, manually add or edit it. Ensure the MMSC is set to smpl.mms.msg.tmobile.com. Finally, perform a carrier update. The Simple Mobile app often prompts for these, or you can try dialing 4636 on Android. Carrier updates sync your device with the latest T-Mobile network configurations, resolving many roaming issues. After these steps, your Simple Mobile roaming should be working smoothly. If problems persist, consider contacting Simple Mobile support, especially if you're using an older device, as device compatibility can sometimes be the root cause.